Hello guys, how are you? Fine. This is African grey parrot. He is picking out his feathers, so we put this color also, and we are using the spray, anti-picking spray. So he is going to healthy because there is new feathers is coming out. You can see. Otherwise, he is very friendly. But you know why this problem is coming? Why he is the parrot is picking out his feathers? Because he is in stress, like somebody live alone in the home or somebody changes his place. Okay, that's why he is going to psycho problem. After that he is picking out his feathers. So be careful of your pet and don't leave him alone when you are, especially when you are going to out of country or somewhere. Okay.